guys, it's May 7th, 2020. This one here, I got a call for no heat. He's got a gas boiler, and he's got no heat. So he says he's got hot water, so we'll go over there and see what's going on with it.
Turn left on Old West Port Road.
Try to get you some shots. Nothing's calling here. Don't sound like the power vent is running. Let's see if the power vent runs when we turn this up. Alright, so the power vent is running. Might be that transformer's bad, I'm not sure. See if we got any power on 1 and 2 here. No power. No power. We'll have to check that transformer, see if we got power there. Hello!
Hi.
You got the thermostats turned up on heat?
You want me to? I have it off right now.
Oh, no wonder why. Yeah, turn them up.
We had them on all last night. We kept putting it up.
Well, turn up the thermostats and I'll check it down here.
Okay, turn on.
Oh, upstairs.
Put them both high.
All the way up?
Well, above the temperature in the room.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So put them both at 75 and put them on heat.
Okay, turn at 75 heat. You want it auto or on for the fan? Or for the airflow?
Automatic, it don't matter, because that's for a furnace. You got a boiler here.
Oh, okay.
Help you.
Hi, my name is Pedro. I was looking for plumbing. I encountered your information online. And I was wondering, do you get all the quotes? You can check out. I have like a faucet, garden faucet I'd like to replace. It's been like the 3rd time.
It might just be that the pilot's out. This is a pilot here. Check it. Yeah, pilot's out. We'll have to change that thermocouple. It's no big deal. Shut it off for now. We got it off, so this isn't live anymore, right? Don't worry about that. Probably this thermocouple is bad. We'll change that. He had all the thermostats off downstairs. So once we get the pilot lit, and once we get the pilot lit, we'll be all right. It should fire up. So sure the burners go up. Alright, so we'll turn this to pilot. We'll light it. Push the red button down. We'll light the pilot. You can see all this kind of cooked on the end there, right? And it's kind of cooked. That's probably what the problem was. Alright, let me see if I could release it if it stays on. Alright, it stays on. This door back on there. We'll turn that on, take 90 seconds for them heads to call. Then it should fire. Takes a minute and a half for them heads to call. That one's not calling, that's the second floor. We'll see if the first floor is calling. Yeah, so the first floor one's calling. Second floor is not, though. That's the first floor is working. Hello?
Hi.
You don't have the second floor thermostat turned up.
Yes, I do.
Come on, Karen.
I do.
She's
For-
going to check now.
Yeah, because the first floor is working, but the second
First
floor,
floor?
the pilot was out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I put a new thermocouple in.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that the second floor is working too before I leave, right?
Okay. So what causes the pilot to go out? Did something break on it?
There's a
or-
thermocouple on there that they burn out after a while,
Oh, okay. So
and that's
something
what I
that-
had to change.
Okay.
So once I changed that, I fired it back up and it's running fine now.
Okay.
So 99% of the time, it's just that part that needs to be replaced.
Okay. Is that like a 5-year part or something that's?
Well, no, it's it's warranted for 1 year.
Okay.
Was it off?
I had it on, then it went off. Like you reset and then I just put it back on. It went all the way down to like 40 degrees.
Well, you have to turn it up
I did.
and you put it on hold,
I put it on auto, heat.
and then you got to put hold. It might be on bypass or something, right?
Okay, hold on.
Just put it on, raise it up and put it on hold.
Put it on hold, okay.
Yeah. I just want to make sure the second floor one's working before I go, right? Yeah, right, we got it. 28 volts. Alright. Yeah, okay, so that was working. This one she's turning up now. That's good. Alright, so replace thermocouple, relit pilot. They're both going up. It's going to take a little while to warm up. Let's see, they're pulling down. That's working. They're both working. It's warming up. Get them a slip.